everyone, it's Maria here, and today I am going to show you how to make brownies 3 different ways. In our family we all like different flavors, so like my son loves Rocky Road, my daughter really enjoys strawberry cheesecake, and my sweet love loves peanut butter. So we are going to go ahead and do that. We will do 3 different ways. I am just going to use your basic brownie mix, and the only difference as far as following the instructions on the back is that instead of using water, I'm going to use milk. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so these are all of the ingredients we're going to be using. For Rocky Road, we are going to be using 1/3 cup of chopped walnuts, 1/3 cup of chocolate chips, and 1/3 cup of mini marshmallows. For the strawberry cheesecake, we're going to use 3/4 of the Philadelphia cream cheese and 1/3 cup of the strawberry preserves. And finally, for the peanut butter brownies, we're going to use 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter and 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. And we are doubling up the recipe, so I'm using 2 boxes plus doubling up the rest of eggs, oil, and milk. Okay, so here is the Pillsbury box that we're going to be using. It's the chocolate fudge brownie mix. And like I mentioned, everything stays the same except for the water. I am going to be switching that out and using milk. Okay, so first things first, let's go ahead and add the oil. I'm just going to be using a spoon to mix everything together. So let's get the oil well incorporated. Okay, and let's add our milk. And you can use any milk you want. I choose to use almond milk. And then let's get that well mixed together. Make it nice and smooth, and then finally we add the eggs. Now again, we're doubling up the recipe, so you see 4 eggs there that I'm using. I do like to whisk my eggs before I put them into the batter, only because I'm not using a mixer, I'm just using a spoon, and it just makes it easier. Just pour that right in and mix away. Look how nice and creamy that looks. It looks really good. Okay, so I do have our 3 pans ready. These are 8 by 8, and they are already have parchment paper on the bottom. And we're going to go ahead and pour it evenly into the 3 pans. So as you can see here, we've got our ingredients for all 3. We've got Rocky Road, strawberry cheesecake, and our peanut butter brownie ones. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the Rocky Road. Go ahead and just sprinkle in your chopped walnuts. Just kind of spread that all around. And then next, what you'll want to do is just sprinkle in your chocolate chips. And just put that in there anywhere you want. And finally, your marshmallows. So just go ahead and put those all around as well. If you want to add more, you're welcome to do so. I just happen to use 1/3 for each ingredient in the Rocky Road brownies. And there you have it, that one is ready. Okay, so now for the second one, we're going to use 3/4 of the Philadelphia cream cheese, and we're going to make sure it's softened. If you need to throw it into the microwave for a few seconds, I put it in there for about 8 seconds just to soften it even more, and then I used my mixer to whip it up. And then once that is ready, what you'll want to do is just spoon that right into your batter. Just place that right on top. And then you're going to take your strawberry preserves and spoon that right on top of the cream cheese. And you're going to do that for each little spoonful. And then once that's done, you're going to take the tip of a knife, I almost said fork, the tip of a knife, and just blend that into the batter itself. I didn't want to mix it because I still want to be able to taste the different flavors. So just go ahead and gently blend that into the batter. And see, there it is. It's going to be a little bit different than the peanut butter one. So that one is well blended. And then the final one is now the peanut butter. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing we did with the cream cheese. Throw it in the microwave for just a few seconds to soften it up just a little more. So we'll do the peanut butter, and then we're going to add our 1/3 cup of powdered sugar into the mixture. And as you can tell, this is what it looks like after I've put it in the microwave for a few seconds. I did about 10 seconds, and that made it nice and soft and easier to work with. So same as we did with the strawberry cheesecake, you're going to go ahead and just spoon that right on top of the batter. We're also going to take the tip of a knife again, except this time we're just going to gently swirl that over the top of the batter. So it makes a really pretty swirly design. And again, that's just gently right over the top of it. And it's that easy. Once you're done, you will have all 3 ready to go into the oven. Okay, so I used the temperature that was noted on the back of the box. I set it for 325, and I set the timer for 55 minutes. And then boom, they're ready. So you've got your Rocky Road strawberry cheesecake and the peanut butter brownies. And there you have it, 3 very easy ways to change up a boxed brownie mix. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite, and if you happen to make any or you have a special one that you want to share, tag me on Instagram. Use hashtag Lulu's Brownies. I'll be sure to put that, LULUS Brownies, and I will be able to see what you're making. All right, you guys have a wonderful time and definitely enjoy your brownies. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Love you all. Until next time.